Sonakshi Sinha is no less than Lady Gaga. अगर Lady Gaga ने पहना है Ferragamo, तो Sonakshi too is flaunting the same outfit with great elan. वहीं ऐश्वर्या राय, जो पहले थी extremely loyal to Indian Bollywood designers, अब sport करती है Ellie Saab and other such brands. Katrina Kaif तो डांस सीक्वेंस में भी पहनती है 2.5 लाख की Gucci ड्रेस. सोनम कपूर और कटरीना कैफ ने यहाँ पहनी डिटो सेम ड्रेस. You know why? Because ये आउटफिट है by a popular international designer Stella McCartney. आजकल सिमी बॉलीवुड में, रैम शोज में, हर तरह की अपीयरेंस में Ellie Saab and Stella McCartney are kind of ruling. And what happened to Indian designers?
I think Indian designers are probably just meant for घाघरा चोलीज. Indian designers को आखिर घाघरा चोली के आगे कहीं पे भी किसी चीज़ के लिए भी आजकल यूज़ नहीं किया जाता. And that's what they're probably good enough for bridal couture. And the stars, एक ज़माना होता था when they were totally dependent on the designers, और designers बैंकॉक जाते थे और वहाँ से थोड़े से चीथड़े ले आते थे और उन्हें पहना देते थे. तो कहीं पे उर्मिला मातोंडकर and all these heroines fluorescent green and fluorescent orange पहन के डांस कर रही होती थी, and they used to be so happy that they're just wearing westerns and short clothes and skimpy clothes. But then they started traveling abroad and movies के budgets बढ़े, and suddenly they realized that they have a whole world to explore when it comes to designer brands. And आजकल stars खुद इतने savvy हो गए हैं because most of the international brands have been launched in India as well. So there is awareness, and ये जो brands हैं stars को खुद approach करते हैं. So they're aware of the brands, and today I think it's come to a point where the stars are probably more fashion conscious, more label aware than the designers who used to dress them up at one time.
So basically, our own Indian designers maybe are not that comfortable with the red carpet silhouette that's out there.
Yes, and even the stars, they probably feel more confident when they're wearing a very expensive international brand as compared to a regular homebred brand. So kahin pe there's a level of sophistication and confidence that they feel, and edge that they feel they have over others when they wear international designs.
So मतलब Indian designers अब सिर्फ शादी के लिए रह गए हैं.
वेल जब स्टार्स को इंडियन डिजाइनर्स फ्री में पूरे साल की सप्लाई दे देते हैं वार्डरोब की, तो तब वो पहन लेते हैं, नहीं तो दे प्रेफर द इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स.